Hello, welcome. Today I'll be presenting to you a prototype of my system. This is RC Health Service System. And then under the development process, I'm using the rapid application development because it's efficient and then less costly. So the RC Health Service is going to allow patients to interact with the system, enable patients to also access health service from professionals without going to the hospital. You can also book an appointment with the doctor remotely, track your menstrual cycle specifically for ladies, to prevent unplanned pregnancies. And then when patients phone comes into contact with a health practitioner, and whatever is happening to the patient is transferred to his phone. So this is the first page. You enter your ID, a password, and then you log in here. When you log in, you have this interface. You can either transfer your health information to the doctor, so you just click here. If you can't talk, the doctor will be able to record whatever is happening to you. This is the About Us icon. This is find the location nearest to your place where if you want to visit a hospital. This is pediatrics, doctors for children, and then you can also click on this icon and then see your information up to date, whatever has been recorded about you since your last visit to the hospital. You can also find a physician and connect to him here, and then you could track your menstrual cycle equally here. This icon is used like a chat bot to interact with the system. So About Us, if you come to the About Us page, this is what you see. You see our contact information and then find a location or contact a physician. When you go back to the location, so you search here your location name. Maybe you are in Dome or Ashesi University, search here. Then the city, so Ashesi or maybe Dome is in Accra. Then the service you want to see a doctor, you can also type it here. Within which range, then you search. So when you search here, it's going to connect you to all health practitioners or hospitals within your locality. Also, when you go to pediatrics, you select the region you are in. So if you select Greater Accra region, it will show you pediatrics are not commonly available like adult doctors. So it will show you all the pediatricians available within your region, and then you connect with them. You can use this icon to go back to this page again, and then my information. So we'll give you information since your last visit to the hospital. You have your history and then your chart as well here, and then find a physician. So over here you can have specialties or doctors. So you can connect to an adolescent medicine, a dentist, infectious disease, or a nurse midwife. You can come back to this page again and then track your menstrual cycle specifically for ladies. So you edit by entering your last flow, and then you will be able to calculate maybe how many days you are left to start menstruating, and transfer health information. So in case you're not able to talk, you can just click on this icon and then we will take you here. So whichever information you see here is transferred to the doctor. Also, whatever is happening to you that you're not able to communicate is automatically transferred to the doctor. So during the design process, I also considered people without smartphone. So how are these people going to be able to interact with my system or have access to the system? So I came up with this USSD application where users, so because you've registered with your phone, your name is already recorded, so it says welcome in cancer. It will allow you to enter your PIN. So when you enter your PIN, you have access to these functionalities. You can read about us, find a location very close to you, connect to a pediatrician, and then have access to information since your last visit to the hospital, as well as connect it to your physician. So when you go to find a location, it will tell you all the hospitals which are within your location. So wherever you are, it's able to access all the hospitals within your location, and then enable you to select the particular hospital. So in case you choose you select La Paz Community Hospital, it will direct you specifically to where La Paz Community Hospital is. And then when you want to connect to a pediatrician, you click here. It will tell you what's the problem. So you tell the doctor, or you interact with the app, and then choose specifically why you want to see a pediatrician, and then also connect you directly to a pediatrician. Again, when you come to my information, it's going to update you on your last visit to the hospital, and then tell you whatever happened there. So the location you went, the doctor who attended to you, general comments you received. And also, when you want to find a physician, probably you don't want to go to the hospital, you want to talk to someone whilst you're at home, you're not well, you just click on this one, select this one, and then you specify which doctor you want to see, and the system should be able to connect you to any available doctor, and then you make all your inquiries. Thank you.